Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make custom stickers using your Cricut. For the materials, you'll need a Cricut, vinyl sticker paper, and a printer. First, import your image into Cricut Design Space. Erase any areas if needed and save it as a print then cut image. Import it into your project. Then resize and duplicate as many times as you'd like, or as many as fits on a page. Click on Make It and proceed to the page to print the stickers. Print them out. Then stick the sheet to your cutting mat. Head back to Design Space and select your base material. With this paper, the sticker paper option works great. Load your mat into the Cricut and start cutting. Peel off extra paper and then each of the stickers. And that's it! I need to work a little more on my alignment and get a better printer, but these were so easy to make. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.